Hi guys.
Hey!
So we're here in Portugal in the Algarve and we're just about to head off in the car to as close as we can get to Benagil Caves. Excuse the plane going over.
It's an easy jet one.
So we're just about to head off to Benagil. We're not sure how, when we get there, how we're going to get there because we've been there before on boat and I'm not sure there's an entrance in the back to go in. So we might have to do a bit of swimming.
We'll find out
when we get there.
When we get there.
It's not a problem.
We'll just make it up as we go along.
Like always.
Alright guys, we're going to head off. We'll see you there. Alright guys, so we're just swam around this bit in a minute, I'll show you. Around the corner is Benagil Cave, I'll show you. So yeah, we swam round that corner and you can see where all those paddle boards are, and then like round and you get to the cave. Really cool, would 100% recommend it. This is the beach you have to start on. It's relatively busy, busier than we've ever seen in September before, but still definitely worth it, so give it a try. Alright guys, so we just got back from Benagil, is that how you say it?
Benagil.
So yeah, basically like you saw basically, the little beach, went swimming, swam round the edge of the cliff into the cave. We really enjoyed it, didn't we?
Yeah, it was pretty cool. We didn't know what to expect at first because we've been there on a boat, but we weren't sure if there were other ways in because there weren't many people in there. But now that we've been, where you can probably see from the video, there's like the only way in pretty much is swimming. So
we really enjoyed it. We're really strong swimmers. We probably wouldn't recommend it if you're not confident in the water.
Yeah.
Like, you're swimming against the waves quite a lot, so like, whether it's the waves that are coming onto the beach or the waves that are coming into the caves, and the boats aren't very patient, are they?
No. There was a point where they were beeping me because I was swimming it too wide for them, even though we were only about 2 meters out from the rock face at the side.
So yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend it if you're not a strong swimmer, but like I said, if you're not, there's loads of boat tours and stuff that go that way. It's a really popular kind of area. But yeah, it was a good way to see the cave. We enjoyed it. We've done both and we've enjoyed both.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely worth doing if you're confident enough in the water. So,
For sure, it's a good experience.
But yeah guys, hope you've liked this vlog. Any questions, drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Okay, give us a like, you know, head over to our Instagram page, make sure you like us over there, all that sort of stuff. But otherwise, see you soon.